Hello, good day, Madam and Sir. How are you today? Hope you're doing good, especially with your children. By the way, my name is Novaline Quijado, 39 years old from Philippines. I am a mother and blessed with two children ages 18 and 12 years old. My highest educational is a high school graduate, and I have also a certificate as a caregiver. I have work experience way back 2015 to 2019 in United Arab Emirates as a nanny and as a domestic helper. I took good care of the children's months old, 5 years old, and 7 years old. And I have work experience also in Hong Kong for 4 years on two different family. I took good care of the children ages 2, 6, and 11 years old. My duties and responsibility as a nanny and as a domestic helper is providing their basic needs like bathing, feeding, changing clothes, prepare them and bring them to school, give the baby milk on time, change the diaper, give them vitamins, give them snacks, prepare baby food and nutritional food for the children, teach them proper hygiene, teach them with their homework, especially English, teach them how to speak English, play with them, ensuring safety when they're playing indoor and outdoor, engaging in an age-appropriate activities like identifying color, shapes, sounds, and animals, coloring, reading, dancing, singing, and many more. In addition to that, I do also household chores like marketing, basic cooking, cleaning, washing, and iron the clothes. I am hardworking, honest, reliable, trustworthy, flexible, and easily attached with the children. I will treat and love them as my own. To my future employers, I promised I will do all my best to fulfill all the duties and responsibilities you've given to me. I hope you've given me a chance to work with your family. Thank you and have a blessed day. Bye.